Hello, good morning. Today I'm gonna open a bisque kiln. It's a little bit hot, but I have a student coming this afternoon and I didn't wanna, and I need Eran to take a video. So I'm gonna do it today with him this morning. Okay. This Ronit made. It's a little dwarf to hang. I made these because well, maybe they're not that hot. I have this mirror in the bathroom that I decided that I don't like it, so I decided to make those like little tiles, and I'm gonna glaze them, and when I finish glazing them I'm gonna glue them to the mirror. Hopefully it's gonna come out nice. Now this tray I made for my mom because she wanted it for the, how do you say it, hand rest for the sofa. She has like things that she puts next to her, so I made this for her.
Armrest.
That's the armrest, yes. Sometimes I forget my English. Anyways, that's another dwarf. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Okay, that Hadas made it. That's her first plate.
Very nice.
Yeah, it is very nice. That's another mushroom.
Yep.
Ronit made it. It's nice. That's a spoon rest. Arm rest, spoon rest. Kochi made it.
What is it for?
For what?
The spoon rest.
For spoons. When you cook.
Ah.
And you use like the same spoon, and you don't want to put it like on the kitchen counter, then you put it on a spoon rest. I guess this is how we would call it. I don't know. Maybe I just invented a name for something. All right. Spoon. Thank you. Ouch. It's hot. Okay. More mushrooms. Isn't that cute?
Nice.
That's another mushroom. Ronit made it. It's gonna go into like a pot that she made or something like that. I'm being careful because I don't know how good they glued it together. Another mushroom. Who made it? Das. Nice.
Yes. How come this mushroom has... It looks like it has paint on it, or a different shape?
No, it's a different clays.
It's a mix of paint.
It's a mix, yes. Excuse me. All right.
Oh,
I made
that's
it.
a big one.
Well, I will forever try to make it double the size, but I'll work on it. What do you think?
Beautiful.
I made it.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I need this as well because we broke 2 cups at home, so it's nice where you can break cups every now and then because they do break, and you just go ahead and make yourself another one. That's a little tiny mushroom. Cute. They're coming tomorrow, Kochi and Ronit. They would like it. This Hadass made it. So today she has a lot of painting to do, glazing. Nice, no? Not too thin, not too thick. Beautiful. Kochi made it.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh, would you look at that? I'm just gonna put it here because I have no room on the table. Hadass made it. Wow. Wow.
Very productive.
No, actually, because of the holiday, not the holiday, the spring break or summer break, whatever.
They had more time to come.
They didn't have a lot of time to come, so it's been accumulated here. Wow.
That's a nice cat.
I had a feeling you would like it.
It has a personality.
Yes. That's another mushroom. How am I gonna... Where, exactly? My little tiny, very, very little tiny studio. And somehow I manage. Is it gonna hold? Yes. So.
That's it.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next video.